Hey guys, it's Faith and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have been on and off with YouTube for literally years, probably since I was in like middle school, and I miss posting, so I'm gonna try it again and take you guys through this new era of my life. Recently I've been trying to take influencing kind of more seriously these past few months, and I've been posting on Instagram a lot, so if you don't follow me, here's my username. But I thought I'd take you guys through the day in the life as a content creator because I feel like it's super fun to like see what we do behind the scenes. So today I'm going to be doing a batch shoot, and if you don't know what that means, it's basically where I take a bunch of pictures in one day instead of like spreading it out through the week. It's like a more sustainable way of being able to get a bunch of content in a short amount of time for the whole entire week, so I don't have to worry about what I'm going to post every day. I just want to be able to show you guys like the behind the scenes, the poses, the locations, kind of just what I do all day when I'm not posting on Instagram. I'm super excited to take you guys along this little journey of today. But before we start, I'm going to show you everything I'm wearing and where it's from, and I'm going to show you like where I got everything and like sneak peeks of before I actually post on Instagram. So for our first location, we are going to this little like bookstore slash coffee shop, and I feel like it's going to be super cute. I have like this cute inspo from these other influencers that I feel like it's gonna be super cute though because it's like a cute little, I feel like it'll be like a super cute comfy vibe. So earrings from Shop Oh Honey, super cute little shop on Instagram. Necklace from Edikted. This spooky season hoodie, I'll put the name of the boutique right here. I bought it at like a fall festival. It is so cute. I got it like oversized. And then I just have my trusty Ugg slippers and some crew socks. But I'll see you guys when we get some Starbucks in us because I cannot function without my pink drink. Okay, so we are at our first location, which is the Copy Store Bookshop, as I literally just said. But here's my boyfriend Donovan, my little photographer. As you can tell, his back seat of his car is kind of like my closet threw up, so I just bring like a huge bag of clothes and like make a huge mess in the back of his car, but it's fine. So let's go in and take some pictures. It's currently 12:06, so let's see how long this takes us. Success. Okay, it is 12:25. I feel like that took way longer than normal, but we were kind of having a little malfunction with the poses. We got some pretty cute ones though, and I'm kind of obsessed. So, how do you feel about them?
I'd give them 9 out of 10.
I left my claw clip in there on the shelf. Here's some sneak peeks. I gotta go get my claw clip because I left it in there. Okay, we are now at our second location. We're at this pretty park. You can see all the pretty little fall trees behind me. My whole brown athletic set is from Romwe. It's already super messy back here, but it's fine. Filler pictures?
Wheels are stupid.
You want to show them a sneak peek of what we just took? That actually, I was not expecting to like those pictures, but I am obsessed. The vibes were amazing. I wish that was my front yard right there. Your face. We're gonna sit here and recollect
ourselves.
Yeah. And airdrop all those photos because his camera's better than mine, and then I will talk to you guys when I'm in my next outfit. Whole outfit from City Beach, Australia. We are at our, do you hear that?
No.
We didn't take videos because I was really not doing well. I think they came out all right. My camera's like really dirty. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, Donovan's gonna try to hold this for me while I show you my outfit. Okay, it's from Romwe. These jeans are from Romwe. Shoes are Converse, and shirt is from H&M. Necklace from Everjewels. Next location is this like kind of neutral wall, which looks really good with my outfit. So we're ready. But how do you feel?
Fired up.
outfit, but his phone's about to die, so we have to go home and charge it. I'm gonna look through the pictures and make sure that I look not ugly. We just came home for a pit stop, but I got an Amazon package, so I thought I'd open it with you guys. I have no idea. Okay, yeah, this is definitely a Santa hat. We're going as Mrs. Claus and Santa. Here's my Mrs. Claus hat. I have a really cute dress that I'm gonna wear with it, but it's not here yet. Guys, my favorite Christmas album. I had to get it on vinyl because I started using my record player again. So I got that. Ooh, I'm excited about this. So I have a new iPad, and also just for like using it with my phone, is this cute little like phone stand / iPad stand, and it's pink. Look at that. It's so cute. So that's my mini Amazon haul. We're gonna go through the pictures, get dressed, and relax for a little bit, and I will see you guys in a while. Last outfit of the day. This is from Romwe again. These are from Aeropostale and white platform Converse. I'm obsessed with the sweater, but also I just got 2 Amazon packages outside, so I'm gonna open those really fast with you guys again. I don't know what these are, so it honestly might be Donovan's Santa's costume. I ordered these really cute pastel highlighters because mine are like really ugly. They're like pastel, but they're like bright neon, and they're like kind of disgusting. So I got these really pretty pastel ones. I'm obsessed. Okay, and then here is my dress. It's actually from Zaful, which I did a collab with them, but I saw this on Amazon and it was like perfect for my Halloween costume. It's like this pretty satin dress, and it has like the scoop neck. Look how cute that is. Hopefully this is Donovan's. Oh my god, it is. He's obviously not gonna wear the like beard and stuff, and maybe probably not the gloves either, but I wanted to get him like a Santa coat to wear, and he can just wear like his own pants so it's not that cringy. Anyways, that's my other Amazon haul for the day, and we're gonna go shoot in this outfit at Wegmans because there's like a cute little pumpkin patch area, and this is the little setup we were using. Donovan was embarrassed, so we didn't get much, but we're gonna work with what we have. My outfit's really cute though, so it's fine. It's the next day. I totally forgot to end the video yesterday, so I'm gonna end it right now. But before we do that, I got another Amazon package, so we're gonna unbox it again. I have no idea what this is. Oh, I'm doing a collab with this brand. It's like this cute water bottle. It's called a Chubby. I never knew that it was on Amazon. Oh, it's cute. That's super cute. I'll link them below and in my storefront. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me taking you through the day of a life of a content creator. If you want more videos like this, make sure to comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.